Welcome to Lakawon Island. Hey guys, welcome back to Travel with Mel. Today we're here at Lakawon Island. It is a banana-shaped island off the coast of Cadiz, Negros Occidental. And this white sand beach is actually a famous destination for both local and foreign travelers. The boat ride going here to Lakawon Island is approximately 15 to 20 minutes. And the fare is actually 700 pesos. That's round trip. And you'll have access to their floating restaurant. So right now we're here at their restaurant area. They're currently open, however, they only serve limited food due to COVID restrictions. So if you're coming here sa Lakawon, I suggest you bring your food, water, especially desserts because wala silang desserts dito. And this is where you order your food. I like this area guys because it reminds me of Boracay. I like the lightings because it complements the color palette na first place. And this is our room. We are occupying room number 16. So welcome to our room. So this is their first room and we paid 4,399 pesos just for one night, and they can accommodate up to 4 packs. So you have 2 single beds, and of course it's air conditioned, and you also have your television over here. And unfortunately guys, wala siyang own comfort room because if you opt for having your own comfort room, it will cost you around 8,000 pesos. Those who are staying at first place, this will be your shared comfort room. So, medyo marami-rami din siya guys. And you'll have your aparador over here. So, meron kang lalagyan ng things while you're taking a shower or Call of Nature. But make sure na meron pantay because wala siyang padlock. So, pwede siyang ma-open. And this will be your comfort room. So this is what it looks like inside guys. So ito yung inodoro, and meron silang mirror dito, and sink. Hey guys, breakfast time!
Breakfast!
guys, so we're here at their Tawhai floating bar. Hey guys, so we're here under the bridge and we only have 2 hours left before checkout, so we are just maximizing our time here and enjoying the beach. It's swimming time. Hi guys, so we're going back to our room and we only have 30 minutes left before checkout. So we're kinda hurry and we're still taking video. Bye! Hey guys, so we already checked out, so we're going with happy hearts. Bye!